प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी लाओस में हैं और 14वें आसियान इंडिया शिखर सम्मेलन में शिरकत कर रहे थे। नरेंद्र मोदी ने एक बार फिर लाओस में 14वें आसियान इंडिया शिखर सम्मेलन को संबोधित करते हुए आतंकवाद और कट्टरपंथ को खतरा बताया। मोदी ने भारत से जाते वक्त भी एक्ट ईस्ट पॉलिसी को केंद्र में रखकर बात की थी। अपने फेसबुक पर लिखे पोस्ट पर मोदी ने इसका उल्लेख किया। मोदी ने आसियान में अपने संबोधन में कहा कि आसियान भारत की एक्ट ईस्ट पॉलिसी का केंद्र है और हमारा संबंध क्षेत्र में सौहार्द का स्रोत है। आसियान इंडिया प्लान ऑफ एक्शन के तहत 54 एक्टिविटीज को लागू किया जा चुका है। पीएम मोदी ने कहा कि गैर पारंपरिक और पारंपरिक चुनौतियों से निपटने के लिए राजनीतिक सुरक्षा सहयोग हमारे संबंध का उभरता हुआ स्तंभ है। मोदी ने इशारों में एक बार फिर पाकिस्तान पर वार किया है और आतंकवाद का मुद्दा उठाया।
Your Excellency, Prime Minister Toglun Sisulit, Excellencies, this is my third India-ASEAN Summit. I am delighted to renew close bonds of friendship that we have nurtured with ASEAN over the years. I would also like to thank you for the excellent arrangements and for the warmth of your welcome. The visit to the beautiful heritage of city BNC reminds me of deep historical and cultural links that the city shares with India. I also commend Vietnam for its able leadership of ASEAN-India relations as the country coordinator. Excellencies, our engagement with ASEAN is not just about a solid base of shared civilization heritage. It is also driven by our common strategic priorities of securing our societies and bringing peace, stability, and prosperity to the region. ASEAN is central to India's Act East policy, and our ties are a source of balance and harmony in the region. Excellency, the substance of our strategic partnership covers all three major segments of ASEAN activities: security, economic, and socio-cultural. And the ASEAN-India Plan of Action for the period 2016 to 2020 has served us well in fulfilling our objectives. We have already implemented 54 out of 130 activities identified in a plan of action. Excellencies, enhancing connectivity in all its dimensions, physical, digital, economic, institutional, and cultural, is at the heart of India's strategic partnership with ASEAN. And readiness to link our economic success and share development experiences with ASEAN nations, especially the CLMV countries, drives our engagement. Excellencies, in the face of growing traditional and non-traditional challenges, politico-security cooperation is a key emerging pillar of our relationship. Rising export of terror, growing radicalization through ideology of hatred, and spread of extreme violence define the landscape of common security threats to our societies. The threat is local, regional, and transitional at the same time. Our partnership with ASEAN seeks to craft a response that relies on coordination, cooperation, and sharing of experiences at multiple levels. Excellencies, next year will be a historic milestone in our ties. We will celebrate 25th year of our dialogue partnership, 15 years of our summit level interaction and 5 years of our strategic partnership. The celebration will be launched at an ASEAN-India Foreign Ministers meeting in 2017. We would also host a commemorative summit on the theme of shared values, common destiny. A host of other events, a business summit, CEO forums, a car rally, and a sailing expedition and a cultural festivals are also planned. I look forward to working with all of you to make this commemoration a success. Thank you very much.